R. Kelly is going to prison. The question is, for how long? A jury today convicted the R&B star on all counts, all 9 of the racketeering and sex trafficking charges against him. They found R. Kelly guilty of being the ringleader of a decades-long scheme to recruit and groom women, underage girls, and boys to sexually exploit them for his own benefit. Prosecutors argued during a 6-week trial that he used his fame and his money to lure his victims, then control their lives, forcing them to have sex with him, even that he knowingly gave them herpes. The jury deliberated for less than 10 hours total, 4 on Friday, 5 plus today. His sentencing set for May the 4th. He could get up to life in prison. David Henderson now, civil rights attorney, CNBC contributor. David, as a special crimes prosecutor, you prosecuted cases similar to this one over and over. Explain why racketeering here and what it means as a conviction.
Shep, having prosecuted these, they're very difficult cases to win when you only have one victim during the trial, because juries always find a way to second guess people. The advantage of trying it as a racketeering charge is you're saying it's a criminal enterprise where Kelly was promoting his music and his brand to exploit people. So the jury got to hear from 11 different people and 45 total witnesses for crimes spanning 3 decades.
R. Kelly could be facing, it looks to me like, up to 140 years in prison. How does sentencing for something like this typically play out?
Well, Shep, it's hard to say because you don't see cases like this one very often. I would say if this were the only case, he'd be looking at enough time to probably keep him behind bars for the rest of his life. But you have to remember, there are 2 more cases coming after this one, another federal suit and a state court suit in Illinois. When you combine those 3, the likelihood of him seeing daylight again, almost non-existent.
But what about an appeal? Does he have grounds? Is there a case?
You know, Shep, the rule is when the feds come after you, they've pretty much already got you. And so just watching the way this trial was handled, I think it's locked up pretty tight. And even if it wasn't, you can dodge 1 silver bullet. Nobody dodges 3. So I don't think an appeal is likely. But if one did succeed, they still got 2 more shots.
R. Kelly guilty on all counts. David Henderson, thank you.